So YouTube, it's a 2007 ZZR600. Currently has 28,000 miles on it. Got the bike about 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago from my owner. Ran fine. Rode it from where I bought it from. Took it out the next day, rode it with no problems. And then after that, man, sat down for 3 days. Thought it was the battery, tried to crank it, wouldn't start. Now I bought a new battery, put it on, and just looking to try to get it to fire. I did put in some seafoam. Says about 1 ounce per gallon. I poured, I believe it's like a full tank, so I poured about, I don't know, 3 or 4 ounces of it, not the whole can. So anyway, just to give y'all a heads up, choke is on. If I try to start without the choke, turn the damn thing on. If I started without the choke, it just does this. If I do pull a choke, try to start it. You can hear it trying to kick, but I don't know if you can exactly hear it. I'll try it again. But no fire. Any help would be appreciated. Any help. Try to give it a little gas as I crank it, little throttle. Don't want to flood the damn thing out. Don't want to drain the battery.